All right, it's Wednesday, August 14th, and we finally got some progress going on here. I got these two hot and cold water lines capped off temporarily. We'll be cutting this PVC pipe next, but later after dinner tonight. And that was just a cut and solder. I'll show you what we got going on here. All right, this elbow right here, this joint was leaking. So I decided to make it a little easy on myself, and I cut the pipe and put in this union and soldered these joints up. So this is going to be our test. Let's see. Gonna turn those off. Oh wait, we gotta turn on the supply over here. Almost goofed. I was getting ready to cut those two pipes in the kitchen, and I forgot that I needed to come out here and turn off the supply because I only had the hot supply turned off at the water heater. That would have been a mess. All right, so here we go. Please don't leak anywhere. Okay, so here's some great news to see. These are the pieces of pipe I cut off, and I was inspecting the inside and hoping that the insides are not pitted from corrosion, and they look pristine. Both of them do. See the dark color there? That's because we've got the sulfur, and the sulfur sticks in there. But you can get corroded pipes, and then you start getting leaks everywhere. And that's just like the best news yet. So we can work confidently to put that kitchen back together and be, you know, fairly confident that we're not going to have any corroded pipe issues. All right, so now let's open up. I guess we'll start with the cold water, let the air out. You're going to see some kind of like black liquid water anytime you shut the water off. It kind of releases some of the sulfur from the pipes. That's actually good news there. And here goes the water heater side. A little dark color. So this is filling up the water heater. This will take a few minutes. I might edit this out. Uh-oh. Got a leak? Okay, I put a little bit more tightness on that. Let's let that build up pressure. We really don't have hardly any pressure at all in this line yet because we just got air coming out down here. I'm kind of bummed about this fitting. Hopefully. All right, so I guess I should have mentioned this earlier. I disconnected the water heater before I got started. Okay, there goes the crud. So we have to open up all the hot water lines and cold water lines throughout the house to flush this out of there. Yep. Leaking right out of the fitting. Son of a gun. All right, that's as tight as I could make that without being concerned. Let's shut this off again. I'm going to open that up and see if we could see. Could have been an easy job, right? All right, we're draining the water heater. Something told me I shouldn't get cocky and put the hose away. It looks like there might be a little bit of angularity here when you look at it from this way. It's really hard to tell, but I mean, I had this together before I put the pipes in there, just so I would make sure everything was aligned. But we're gonna drain the water heater so it's light, and I'm gonna jiggle it a little bit and give it a little bit of a turn here. And I think what I'll do is put some of this on the mating surfaces. I do have some high pressure grease on these threads, and I did put a little bit of high pressure grease, wheel bearing grease, okay, on this so that this could like slide in, and evidently that wasn't enough. So let's see, are we done draining here already? No, it's still going. I'm gonna not rush it. I'm gonna let it go so that this is easy, because it walks around real easy when it's empty. All right, I got it lined up as straight as I think it could possibly be, and I put some of that stuff only on the male end. Here's a better shot of this thing. Blue Monster seems to be like the stuff I used to like years ago. All right, let me put this together. At least this will leave possibly a telltale mark. If it leaks again and I have to take it apart, maybe we'll see what's going on with this joint. That did it. No more leaks. Fabulous.